Have you ever experienced that incredibly specific, just totally maddening frustration of paying a plumber good money to clear a stubborn drain, breathing a huge sigh of relief when the water finally goes down, only to find the exact same sink backing up just a week later? It's literally the worst. And when you call the company back expecting a quick, free fix under warranty, you suddenly find yourself tangled in this messy web of confusing fine print. Well, welcome to this explainer. Today, we're taking a comprehensive industry guide on drain service warranties and transforming it into your ultimate cheat sheet. We're going to decode that fine print together so you know exactly what you're paying for and exactly what protection you actually have, well before a single drop of water spills onto your floor.
Here's our roadmap for this explainer. We're covering 1. The drain warranty reality. 2. What is actually covered. 3. The fine print exclusions. 4. Time and location limits. And finally, number 5, your protection toolkit. I promise by the time we're done here, we'll have broken down a seriously complicated contract into easy-to-understand, bite-sized pieces.
All right, let's jump right into Section 1, the drain warranty reality, expectation versus reality.
Okay, so the biggest mistake we see homeowners make is assuming a warranty is this, magical force field that protects their entire plumbing system. The reality? Quite different. Warranties aren't blanket shields. They are highly specific agreements with very strict boundaries. They exist to guarantee specific work, not to prevent every possible plumbing disaster waiting in your walls. Take a look at the word workmanship. If you read most drain warranties, this is where they really focus. Workmanship is just a guarantee on the quality of the contractor's labor and execution. Basically, this means if the contractor's work fails within the warranty window simply because it was installed or executed improperly, the company is going to return and correct it. That usually includes a repeat diagnostic visit too. The absolutely crucial takeaway here is that the warranty is focused on the labor itself, how well the job was actually done, rather than a promise to just magically fix every future problem your pipes might have.
So what does a workmanship guarantee actually look like in the real world? Well, let's say you hire a company for a sewer line cleaning, or maybe a root removal service. If that drain backs up again shortly afterward because the first job wasn't fully successful, boom, a workmanship warranty kicks in. This means the company may provide a second service to clear that exact same blockage at a reduced cost, or in the best case scenario, at no cost at all. This is the ideal situation for you, the warranty stepping in exactly as you'd hope to fix a failed first attempt.
Moving on to Section 2. What is actually covered? Labor and parts.
While workmanship covers the human effort, you also really need to know about the physical materials your money is paying to protect. The key here is understanding the stark difference between parts coverage and unrelated failures. Now, some warranties do actually extend beyond just labor to cover parts. Parts coverage might include replacement fittings or specified components used in your repair, guaranteeing them against defects. And hey, that sounds great, right? But check out the other side of this comparison, unrelated failures. This is exactly where expectations crash hard into reality. Your warranty is absolutely not going to cover damage caused by things outside the scope of that specific repair. If your pipe fails because of shifting soil around your foundation, or pre-existing corrosion the plumber wasn't even hired to fix, or a brand new blockage that formed after they left, no way. None of that is covered. Parts coverage applies strictly to the parts they provided, not the overall health of your aging plumbing.
Which brings us to Section 3. The fine print exclusions, the surprise denials. All right, this is where the tension really builds because this is the part of the contract that catches people totally off guard. These are the specific scenarios where folks confidently call their plumber only to find out they're completely exposed and have to open their wallets all over again. Let's rapidly run through this naughty list of exclusions. Your warranty will likely deny claims for new clogs from debris buildup that happen after the service date, tree roots returning through untreated segments of the pipe, external disasters, like ground settling or flooding, problems happening in a totally different plumbing section they didn't even look at, and finally, and yes, I am absolutely looking right at some of you here, improper disposal. If you start flushing or draining inappropriate materials down the sink after the repair is done, you immediately void the whole shebang. So keep the bacon grease out of the drain, folks. They are not going to fix a clog for free if you caused it right after they pulled out of your driveway.
Section 4, time and location limits, strict boundaries.
Okay, so let's say your issue isn't on that exclusion list we just covered. You might still be out of luck if you don't understand the physical and temporal limits of your contract. This protection is strictly time-bound. A drain service warranty is not a forever thing. It usually ranges from a few weeks to a few months. Sure, sometimes it's a bit longer for major structural repairs, but for basic drain services, the clock is ticking, and it's ticking fast. On top of that, companies strictly limit the coverage to the exact same issue or the exact same clean segment of piping. If the warranty period is started and a new blockage forms, or the time simply runs out, you're done. The warranty is over. Time is absolutely of the essence here.
And beyond time, you also face really strict location limits. When we talk about same issue limits, this is the exact phrasing you might actually see on your paperwork. A warranty might specify it only covers the kitchen line to main, or say the front section from A to B. Why does this matter? Well, if your home has a backup, but the plumber determines the new backup is actually originating in the bathroom line or outside of segment A to B, your warranty doesn't apply at all. The job paperwork is literally the map of your protection. If it's not on the map, it's not covered.
Let's wrap things up with Section 5, your protection toolkit, becoming an informed consumer.
We've talked a lot about the hurdles and the exclusions, but now let's get you equipped with the actionable tools you need to take control of the situation before the plumber even starts working. The absolute most important tool in your kit? Vital documentation. A clear warranty is so much easier to claim when you actually have the records to hold the contractor accountable. The good, reputable drain services will provide this without you even asking. You want a detailed work order, a written description of the exact problem they diagnosed, the specific cleaning or repair methods they used, and actually, this is a massive one for sewer work, any video camera inspection results. If you have video proof of exactly what that pipe looked like when they finished the job, it is a million times easier to argue your case if the exact same problem returns a week later.
All of this builds into your ultimate rapid-fire checklist. The next time you're scheduling a drain service, you need to coach yourself to ask these 5 essential questions so you avoid any surprise gaps in your coverage. Ready? 1. What exactly does this warranty cover? Are we talking labor, parts, or both? 2. How long is the warranty period, and does it start the day of service or the day the job is completed? 3. Is this coverage limited to the same issue and the specific pipe section you're working on? 4. What are your top exclusions? Like, what are the most common reasons you deny a claim? And 5. What exact documentation do I need to submit to you if this problem comes back? Getting straight answers to these questions transforms a vague, fluffy promise into a specific, totally usable warranty.
Which brings us to a deeply important final thought straight from our source material. Are you just treating this symptom? Ultimately, a drain service warranty is amazing when it's specific and used right. But if your situation involves reoccurring clogs or stubborn root intrusion that just refuses to quit, a warranty might honestly just be a band-aid. You have to ask yourself and your plumber, if clogs keep returning, is it time for a longer-term solution? Warranties alone aren't going to magically fix the underlying cause of a failing, dying pipe. Don't just settle for a free repeat visit if the pipe actually needs replacing. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer. Use this knowledge to protect your home, protect your wallet, and seriously, never be afraid to read the fine print.